right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Today we're going to be back inside our Titanoboa favorites project module. So let's have a look at what we're going to be going over. And yesterday I did show you that we were able to fix our actual contract where everything was stored and all our scripts were. So basically I'm just going to do a little quick recap of everything that we're going to be doing in this module. So first and foremost, the Pi EVM is what we're going to be focusing on in this module. And this is sort of its own blockchain platform where we can deploy contracts to without having to run an Anvil. This is the actual contract that we ran yesterday. And as you can see, we didn't need to run Anvil. That's because we had to use this function here, the boa.load. This boa.load is an actual library inside the that allows us to deploy contracts and scripts without having to deploy the Anvil blockchain, which is the separate blockchain. Now, basically, that's a quick recap of what we're going to be going over inside of this module here. Like I said, now that we have everything working, I want to take you back slowly and slowly go over what we initially went over in the beginning. We're not too far in, so it's not going to be too long of a recap. So, yeah. So, basically, we're going to be going over the principles and the concepts of running contracts inside of this Pi EVM using the boa.load function here, as you can see. And we're going to be seeing the differences between running it using the boa.load and then running it using the Anvil. So that's where we're at with that. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, I just want to give you a quick recap, and tomorrow we're going to officially kick off the restart of the Titanoboa favorites of project module. So stay tuned. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.